Hey everyone, Pine Acres in Moncton, coming at you with a very fresh trade-in. It's a 2011 Keystone Hideout. The model number is 38BHDS. This has a front bunk room, 2 slides, master bedroom is in the rear. This is awesome. We have sold this brand spanking new back in 2011. It was stationary in the Rexton area. More specifically, Brown's Yard. I went and looked at it myself. It's a little dirty on the outside. The inside looks great. Let's go in. All right, walking into the 2011 Keystone Hideout destination trailer. Looking really, really good. Of course, this sofa does convert into a bed. Condition does seem real nice. A few little nicks right here. Stove is nice and clean. Like most stoves, they don't get used much. Dual sinks. We got the Jensen stereo right here. There's a great spot for your TV. Of course, this huge U-shaped dinette, that converts into a bed. Check out this Armada fridge. Oh, it looks like our detailers got to this unit. They did the inside. That's why it looks so great. The outside still needs to get done. All right, front bunk room. Take a look at this. All right, so there's another bunk up top. Let me just get my other hand. All right, just like so. So of course, this converts into a bed. Another spot right here for TV. There's your cable connections, power connections. Another bunk. And another bunk. I like it. All right, guys, it's a 2011. It's awesome, but it's not perfect. Full disclosure, that cracked, and we did glue it back together. That's as best as it's gonna come. All right, let's keep going. Behind this door is gonna be the bathroom and also the master bedroom. We got a medicine cabinet, lots of room in here. That is a ceramic toilet. More storage right here. Let's take a look at the inside of the shower. Nice corner shower. Yeah, definitely our detailers did get to this one. This is nice and clean. Ta-da! All right, master bedroom up next. Of course, that master bedroom does have its own slide. The bed is in the rear of the unit. Nice big window over here. Look at the room. Wow. Awesome. I like it. I like it a lot. So folks, over at Pine Acres here in Moncton, we always inspect our trailers before we take them on trade to make sure that they are nice and solid. This one here is an exception. We already knew up front that there was an issue. There was a previous leak, and we had this travel trailer spend almost a week inside our shop here, and we fixed it. So you see that door right there? There was a small leak in that door. And that floor was wet and crusty. So, up top, everything is resealed. Everything is good. This is going to be sold with a gas, water, and appliance check. We're going to make sure that this trailer is going to make someone else real happy. And we're also going to price it right. See you soon. 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.